Let's say I don't have diagrams. Let's say I have conversion factors. In example 5, I'm asked to convert 36 weeks into days. And although we could very easily multiply 36 by 7, for there are 7 days in 1 week, that is not the purpose of dimensional analysis. Although these examples may be easy for you to do without dimensional analysis, questions in chemistry later on in the year will be more complicated and will require dimensional analysis. So let's begin. The first thing I'm going to do is I read the problem. It says 36 weeks into days. So I'm going to write down 36 weeks, as that is what it has asked me for. I'm going to multiply by a fraction. The fraction I'm going to multiply by needs to have weeks in the denominator, and it needs to have days on the numerator, because I need to have the days on top. Well, in 1 week there are 7 days. So now weeks can cancel out, and I am left with 36 times 7. You can fill that one out on your own. Now I'm asked to do 5 years into seconds. Well, I don't know how many seconds there are in 1 year, but I do know conversion factors that can lead me to seconds. So I'll begin. 5.0 years. And the first thing I know is that there are 365 days in 1 year. I still don't have seconds, so I have to keep going. I know that there are 7 days in 1 week, but 7 days in 1 week does not get me closer to seconds. But another conversion factor I know is that in 1 day there are 24 hours. Now that I have hours, I have to go to seconds, but I still don't know how many seconds there are in 24 hours. But I do know that in 1 hour there are 60 minutes, and that 1 minute has 60 seconds. Wow, I've reached seconds. Now all I have to do is multiply 5 by 365 by 24 by 60 and by 60 once more to get me the number of seconds in 5 years. If I want to make sure that I am doing this correctly, I would cancel out my units. I know that years cancels out, days cancels out, hours cancel out, minutes cancel out. It does. It leaves me with minutes. Sorry, it leaves me with seconds. So I know that I did my problem correctly, and now I just have to multiply to get my answer. I hope this helped.